and that comes out over here, and then this part we'll have access to, and there'll be a box over there that the HDMI cables they can connect to, so that way basically everything here inside this wall is hidden. So HDMI cables, Ethernet cables, all the speaker wires, which we already did a different day, it's all done. So this outside of there's one thing that I realized that I probably should put in here, since components are going to be sitting here inside this room. I just noticed that I don't have can you guys see what's missing? So there's all sorts of stuff for cable, Ethernet, subwoofer wire, place for the HDMI cables to come through, but there's one important thing that's missing. There's Ethernet there. Do you all see what's missing? Powers are missing. I need to put another one of those Ethernet things over there, so that way besides having Ethernet here, I can put a little switch here, and if I need to have Ethernet come to the TV, I can have Ethernet to the TV. So I got to put one of those in there too. I'm not going to run the cable, I'm at least going to have the thing there so I can run the cable. So now I guess I'm going to clean this all up and then start securing the wires, and then maybe patch the insulation. And Jacob's out there. Oh, let's see what Jacob's doing, by the way. Let's take a look. What's Jacob doing? Let's take a look. Oh yeah. He's digging. That's relatively soft soil compared to what we have over on the other side. Lots of rocks. Thank goodness. Hopefully it's that way all the way up. It probably won't be. So one of these is going to be for the water. And then on the other side of that dirt pile, there will be another one that'll be for the sewer. They got to be 3 feet deep. Jacob's marked on his Mini X where 3 feet is, so that he knows where it is. That way he's not digging so deep. Little Mini X has kind of been a lifesaver with all this digging and trenching that we've had to do. I think he bought that thing for $8,000 or $9,000, but it's probably saved us about that much money, if not more. So it's kind of a cool little toy. It's not really a toy, it's the real deal. Chinese, right? Hey, no problem.